Hello everyone. In the last video, we learned patterns. Hope you like to draw different patterns by joining the dots. Today we will learn mirror images. Mirror image means a person or thing closely resembles another. It is a reflected duplication of an object. So let's move on the story.
Tit for tat. Now this will be fun. One day Amina met a painter. Can you make my picture? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. After a while, painter showed her picture. How do you like it? But this is only half. Yeah, the other half is exactly the same. So just put the mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Amina gave him a 100-rupee note. But this is only half the money. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Ha ha ha, that was a good one, Amina. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. This is a butterfly. That's an oil lamp. This is a cat's face. And it's a star. That's a fish. Can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? As you can see, these pictures cannot be divided as the mirror halves. So, we cannot repeat the painter's trick. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar parts, draw three more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. Here are things which do not have similar halves. Number one could be tree, then a cooker, flowers, spoon, etc. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? See this picture of a comb. Kids, can you see it? Alright. Okay, tell me, if we draw a dotted vertical line in the middle, then would we be able to divide it into two similar halves? Yes, we would be. Now, this is a picture of an envelope. Again, we have to draw a dotted vertical line to make them into two similar halves. Now, if you see it, this is number 8. Draw the dotted line in this way. Here comes the pair of scissors. If the dotted line is drawn vertically in this way, then we get two similar halves. Now see this picture. Okay, tell me, what do you think about this picture? Don't you think we can draw more than one line to make two similar halves? Am I right? Yes. Alright. Now, can you divide this picture of kettle into two similar halves? Well, I tried it. No, it is not possible here. See this pencil. If we draw horizontal line, then the two parts are not similar. So try with vertical line. Oh, it's working. Now the two parts are similar halves. If you see this picture of a cup, where will you draw the line to make them into two similar halves? Well, you're right. Here it is not possible. How about this crown? This crown can be divided into two similar halves in this way. Also, the frog will be divided into two similar halves if we draw a vertical line.
आपने अभी अभी देखा है तो इस एक्सरसाइज में कौन कौन से पिक्चर्स मिरर इमेज है उसके सामने हम टिक करेंगे. Look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror house? So let's see. Tick with me in your textbook. This is the mirror image. So tick in your textbook. This also mirror image. This is not a mirror image. ये दोनों same parts नहीं है. So this is not a mirror image. This is also not a mirror image. This makes two equal parts. So this is the mirror image. Tick in your textbook. This is not a mirror image. This is the mirror image. This also a mirror image. This one is not making two equal parts. So it's not a mirror image. This one is also not a mirror image. It makes two equal parts. So tick on this. It is a mirror image. It's also a mirror image. Now tick with me in your textbook. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Now look here, students. Give some more example. I have done here one for you. Rest of the three examples, do it yourself in the textbook. Now turn the page. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar house? क्या इस images को हम similar house में divide कर सकते हैं? I have done here. You can try this in your own textbook. Vertical dotted lines which I have drawn here make two equal parts of the objects. You can try this. You can draw vertical lines in your textbook. See all the images in your textbook and try to make two equal parts of each object. This one is the mirror image. This line make two equal parts of these objects. This is also a mirror image. It makes two equal halves. This is also a mirror image. It makes two equal parts. This is also a mirror image. Students, you try to draw in your textbook. If we make its two equal parts, it is not a mirror image. We can make its two equal parts. If we will draw line here, it will be not equal, but we can draw the line here. So this is the mirror image. This is not a mirror image. This vertical line make two equal parts of this picture. So yes, this is the mirror image. This also, this one also. It is not a mirror image. So draw it wrong. This line makes two equal parts of a plane. So yes, this one is the mirror image. It is not a mirror image. This is also a non. This line makes two equal parts. So yes, this one is the mirror image. You also try in your textbook to draw the vertical lines. This one is the mirror image. This is not a mirror image. This is also a not, and this one also absolutely not a mirror image. Now come on the next page, page number 11. Can you guess these letters from their house? First letter, which one it is? This one is the A. Which one is the next? Yes. Which it is? That is C. Write there C. Now see the next one, which it is? H. Now write here H. Next, which it is? This is the U. This one is the B. And at the last, K. Okay children, write in your textbook. Now see downside. Guess the words by looking at their house and try to draw with me. This is the mirror image of H. So yes, this one is the H. Try to draw in your textbook. Can you guess this letter? Now I can. Which it is? O. H. O. Try to draw with me. This one is W. Which word it is? H-O-W. How. Now see the next one. Once again, try to draw with me. Very good. W. Next letter. This one is the A. W-A. And X. W-A-X. Wax. Now see downside. One word is there. Try to draw with me. C. Now next. Which letter? Yes, it is O. C and O. Next also look like C. Yes, it is O. C, O, O. Now come on the next letter. K. C double O K. Cook. But two remain. It's E. And at the last one, it is the D. C double O K E D. Cooked. Now at the last letter, last word, which one it is? Draw with me. Good. D. It is I. It look like this. So, can you guess this word? This letter is C. D-I-C. One is last one. D-I-C-E. Dash. Now students, draw other house in your textbook. So students, today we learn mirror images of an objects, shapes, letters and words. Try to complete the exercises of yourself. Take help of your parents. Obey your parents. Stay at home, stay safe. Take care and thank you.